In this video, we are going to implement the last feature of the book management module in our bookstore website project, the delete book feature. You see our task list in this section. We need to show a delete confirmation dialog when the admin clicks on the delete link, delete hyperlink next to a book. Here you see. And then we create a delete book Servlet class to handle a delete request from the user. And we update the book services class accordingly to implement the delete book method. This delete feature allows the admin to remove a book from the database. And to fully implement this feature, we also need to code the order DAO class and review DAO class because